The Chuwi Hi9 is aimed at the gamer, but it fulfills other roles too. It is a fairly compact tablet with dimensions of 216.6 by 129.5 mm and at only 7.9 mm thick. Feels nice to hold. It has a nice form factor for one-handed book reading. Externally there is a micro USB slot, a TF card slot for cards up to 128 GB in size, and a 3.5 mm headphone jack. The matte black plastic exterior is sturdy and well manufactured. The Hi9 has an 8.4-inch OGS full lamination screen with 2560 by 1600 resolution. It is a nice screen with no blur and a good screen-to-body ratio. Inside the tablet there is a Media Tek 8173 1.9 GHz quad-core game CPU and a Power VR GX6250 graphics chip running at 700 MHz. It has 4 GB LPDDR4 RAM and 64 GB ROM. The OS is Android 7.0 Nougat and the tablet has a 5000 mAh battery which will last for about 7 to 8 hours before needing a 5V 3A charge. Android tablets do seem to be back in fashion at the moment. Chuwi announced at CES 2018 that it is working on another Android tablet, the Hi9 Air. The Air will be larger than the Hi9 with a 10.8-inch 3:2 IPS screen and resolution of 1920 by 1280 pixels. It will be powered by the same Media Tek 8176 chipset as the Hi9 but is intended to run on Android 8.0 Oreo. A nice feature will be the inclusion of a fingerprint sensor, 5MP front-facing camera and 8MP rear camera. I was not too impressed with either of the cameras on this particular tablet. The Hi9 has a 5MP rear camera at the top left corner of the case, and a 2MP front camera. There is limited functionality in the camera app and settings are well hidden with few options to customize. The maximum resolution in 16:9 format gives an image of 3.7 MP. Images are a little grainy and not well defined in low light condition. Sound from the onboard speaker is not too bad, not high fidelity, but a reasonable quality and volume. I expect that most users would connect headphones for a more immersive sound experience. I found the tablet to be a little hesitant in its response. After quickly typing my PIN, I noticed a slight lag before the PIN appeared on screen to unlock. I also saw hesitation when moving around in apps and system settings. I also found it annoying when the screen went black after only a few seconds. Switching off the adaptive brightness seemed to solve this for me, although I now chewed through the 5000 mAh battery more quickly. For a purse-sized tablet at under $200, the Chuwi Hi9 certainly fits the bill. Battery life is good, and performance is not too bad. It is a shame the camera could be improved. Camera enthusiasts might want to wait to see the Hi9 Air camera offering before making a final choice.